Hello everyone, this is the part 4 series lecture on combustion in SI engine. In part 4 section A, we have already discussed some parameters which make the effect on the flame propagation speed or the flame propagation duration. In this section B, we will also discuss the important parameter, that is the turbulence and the engine size and the engine speed and other factors on the flame propagation. Now other parameter of flame propagation speed which have effects on flame propagation speed is the engine speed. The turbulence basically in turn is related to the engine speed. The turbulence in a combustion chamber always is proportionate to the piston speed, as we have discussed in the previous classes. And the piston is directly connected to the crank, so the piston speed is proportionate to the crank rotational speed or the engine RPM. So the engine RPM is also related to the turbulence. So turbulence is directly proportional to the piston speed and eventually the engine RPM. So higher the RPM, the higher the turbulence. So what happens when higher the RPM, higher the turbulence or higher the flame speed? For this reason the flame speed almost increases in proportion to the engine RPM. If engine RPM is doubled, the flame speed or flame propagation speed is also double, and the flame travel time through the combustion chamber is half. So what happens and what is the effect of this phenomena is that if we double the RPM, that flame travel time, if we double the RPM, the flame speed also double and that flame travel time halved. So half the travel time, but RPM is high. So flame travel time is reduces in milliseconds, but because the RPM is double, so crank angle rotation is also doubled. So speed is flame travel time is half, but the RPM is doubled. So crank rotation is doubled in that time. So the same number of crank degree is for the same is this flame propagation time is there. So there is no effect of doubling the RPM or the flame travel time if we calculate it into the crank rotation angle. So this is an important characteristic of all SI engines or petrol engines, that if we increases the engine speed, the flame travel time reduces in milliseconds, but flame travel time have no effect if we calculate it in the crank angle rotations or degree of the crank rotation. This is important parameter. Now third parameter, engine size, how it affects the flame propagation. Engine size, what happens, the similar design of engines, there is a practice, there is a protocol of design of similar type of engines is that the similar design of engines should run at same piston speed. This is a protocol for designing the similar design engines. So if engine is large, so this is achieved by small engine having larger RPM and larger engine having smaller RPM. How? Due to the same piston, because what happens, we have to put the same piston speed for if engine is small as well as the engine is big. So if engine is small, and with the same piston speed, piston vibrate more per second from top dead center to bottom dead center with same speed if engine is small in comparison to the large engine. Because in large engine, if piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center one time, and in the same time for a small engine with a size of half, the piston from top dead to bottom dead by center will move twice, because the distance travel is half, and for long engine there is a distance travel is high. So due to the same piston speed, the inlet velocity or suction velocity remains same. So degree again, because the turbulence directly depend upon the piston speed, so the degree of turbulence also remains the same, and the turbulence remains the same, so the flame speed nearly remains the same for the engine regardless of their size. But what happens in small engine, flame travel length is low. So length is small in small engines and speed is same. So combustion duration is low in milliseconds. But what happens? Again, RPM is high. So in degree of crank rotation, it is always ineffective to calculate the engine size effects on the flame propagation in degree crank rotation. Take example, if engine size is double, the time required to propagation of the flame through the combustion chamber space is also doubled because the speed is same. But with the lower RPM, because the engine size is double, so RPM also is half. So time of the propagation in terms of the crank degree would nearly be the same as the small engine. So now summarize this. The engine speed, when engine speed is increases, as you know, the flame propagation speed also increases because turbulence is increases in milliseconds. But when calculated in, if engine speed is increases or decreases and flame propagation is calculated in crank degree, there is no effect. Engine speed is, if flame propagation is calculated in milliseconds, engine speed is, flame propagation speed increases with the engine speed. If flame propagation is calculated in crank degree, it has no effect of flame engine speed. Similarly, the engine size, if engine size is increases or reduces, no effect of flame propagation duration if it is calculated in the crank of the degree of the crank. Some other factor which affects the flame speeds are the intake temperature and the pressure. As the intake temperature and pressure also increases the in pressure and the temperature at the time of combustion. So these both are the favorable conditions for heat transfer and the combustion. So the flame propagation speed also increases. So intake temperature or pressure also increases the flame speed. Supercharging of the engine. What is the supercharging of the engine? Supercharging is the increase the intake pressure by the means of external compressor or external mean of compression, the charge. So this is the called the supercharging. So again the supercharging because increases the intake pressure. So this also increases the flame speed. Spark timing. As we advances the spark timing, what happens? The peak pressure of the cycle reaches near to the top dead center. If we retard the spark timing or delay the spark timing, the peak pressure go beyond the top dead center. So when the peak pressure is near the top dead center, when the piston is, so the major portion of the flame propagation is during the compression stroke. And if spark timing is retarded, the major portion of the flame propagation is in the expansion or the power stroke. So when piston is moving towards the top dead center and flame propagation is taking place, so it also compresses the charge, and this is increases the pressure, and this is a favorable condition. So advancing the spark timing, compressing the combustion is taking place when the charge is compressing, is favorable for the flame propagation speed. So if we advancing the timing, flame propagation speed also increases, and if we retard the spark timing or delay the spark timing, the flame speed also reduces. Now the residual gases which is left in the engine at the end of the exhaust stroke, what happens? The residual gases or the product of the combustion mixes with the intake charge and diluted the intake charge. and charge become weak. Charge become weak because the content particles of these residual gases. So the what happens when residual gases is higher in the charge? The temperature generated after the compression, after the combustion is very low, and this reduces also the flame speed. So higher the residual gases, poor is the combustion and the poor is the flame speed. Air humidity also have some effects on flame velocity, but it is not exactly known what is the effect of this and in which direction it affects the flame velocity, but it has a less impact on the flame velocities in comparison to air fuel ratio and the turbulence. So what in summary, the intake temperature and pressure, if it increases, flame propagation speed also increases. If increases supercharging, it increases the pressure, so the flame propagation again increases. Advancing the spark timing, and then again flame propagation also increases. And if increases the percentage of residual gases in the charge, the flame propagation speed goes down. So friends, that's all in the